Watch me meal prep for the week and try pink sauce.
That salmon on thickly. Yes. And because I want a little smoke taste to it, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of something on there just to give it that little bit of smoke seasoning. Oh yeah. I also added a little bit to my vegetables. It's gonna be delicious. I'm meal prepping for the week. I forgot the garlic, so I'm gonna throw that in there too.
That camera. How dare you?
Yes. Period. So good. And it is done. It is done. It is done. It is done. Don't worry about how I played it. Just know that it's all going in the same spot. And it's all gonna be good, good. Okay? Yeah. So my daughter said to try this pink sauce. I don't know. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna try it today. Ooh, too much. It's not bad. Pretty good. It's good.
Watch me meal prep for the